All right, thanks for joining us here for another Maintenance Monday. We're wrapping up a whole series on appliances, and Tim, you brought up a really good piece of information we wanted to get out there, so we're going to just get right into it. You wanted to talk about the condenser on a refrigerator and how important that is to maintain.
Yes, refrigerators use a condenser to cool off the refrigerant gases as they go through the cooling process. That condenser is usually on the bottom of the refrigerator, and you can't usually get to it very easily, but it has to stay clean. Okay, some refrigerators you can pop your toe cover off the back and get a brush in there. Some of them you got to get into the back of the refrigerator, take the covers off. This is a service that Westside can offer. If you'd like to have us come out and clean all your condensers, or we can add it to another service while we're already in your home. But what's important is when it gets dirty, it causes the refrigerator to run excessive amounts of time, and it causes a heat buildup in the refrigerant system that can cause early failures and early shorten the life of the refrigerator. If you have pets, it's even worse, because now your pet hair is maybe on the floor, and there's a fan inside under the fridge that pulls the air underneath. It'll suck all that stuff underneath, and it'll get all clogged up in your condenser, which is it's kind of like the radiator in a car. If it can't breathe, the car overheats, you're stuck.
Yeah, and we always find dust bunnies underneath there, so that's
Cat
what he's
toys.
talking about. We're getting that dirt in there, we're not getting it cleaned up, and if we don't, early failure on a very, sometimes expensive, costly piece of appliance here. So we want to keep that up. So good idea, have that serviced. So great tip, thanks for bringing it up. We're going to join you here on another Maintenance Monday, so please watch them all the way through. You're going to learn something every time, right? See you again next Monday.